Hey guys, welcome back to SPydata Science. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing on print statement in Python. To reach to the level of advanced machine learning, data science, and all of those things, you first need to have strong basics. So we'll be starting with print statement. Let's go. So by definition, a print statement is basically a function, inbuilt function in Python, which basically returns the text output stream which you have given as an input. So it takes objects as an input. These separator and file flush, these are all inbuilt parameters which it has. So by default, separator is space and is \n, which means go to next line. File is sys.standardout, flush is false. So we basically will understand this doing hands-on. So I've started pycharm. All right. Print 1, 2, 3, comma 4, 5, 6, comma 7, 8, 9. So these are different values. I have used comma separator, but by default it is taking space as a separator. So when I print this hello Python file, it will print 1, 2, 3 space 4, 5, 6 space 7, 8, 9. So the reason why it is doing so is it has taken a separator equals to space by default. So we can change that separator equals to. So I've used hash here. So what it does is like these strings will be separated by hash. So when I print this, you can see here 1, 2, 3 hash 4, 5, 6 7, 8, 9. So you see here like how it is working. And if I take end equals to add the rate. So at the end, it will add at the rate. So it will add this keyword here. Let us see. You can see here 1, 2, 3 space 4, 5, 6 space 7, 8, 9, and it has added this add here. So you also had this thing called file sys.out. File equals to sys.out is by default. We can change this. So we say open new.csv. So what I have done here is like I have taken this file as open new.csv. It will create a new CSV file. You see here, you don't have any of the file here. If you run this, no such file or directory. Okay, so I need to put this parameter also w, which means write. So basically it is a new CSV file which has all the data which was passed to that print statement. It has written this into this file. So yeah, if you like this video, click like button, hit subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Thank you.